Hello guys, Emmanuel from Geekception here and hope you're doing awesome today. Now today I shall be taking you a tour around my new house. Let's begin. And welcome back guys. Now in case you guys did not know or you do not watch yesterday's video, I made a vlog about moving out from where I stayed for about 4 years, which was a long time, I know. So I moved to this new place. This is literally like the first setup of this place, so I'm still trying to figure it all out. I don't have curtains, so I'm actually using natural light as my key light here, and I don't know how the back is going to be. Is it going to be blown out? Is it not? I don't know. Anyways, let's get started. Let me take you around my brand new house and welcome to our place. So there's going to be locking the door there. So on the left you can find like a shelf where we keep some stuff, and shoes on the left there. You can see the soft boxes as well as the camera and the LED light. And I just got this black table. I'm going to be shooting like unboxings and all the other stuff, overhead shots from right there. We chose black, especially Taufik, because I think it would be a challenge because almost all the gadgets I have is black. So that would be interesting to see how I innovate around that. Talking about Taufik, Taufik is, my man Taufik, that is Taufik in his room there. So, except Taufik wants some more screen time. You don't even play football, man. So this is the living room, and it is very empty, but filled with lots of love. Taufik, stop bouncing that ball, man. Filled with lots of love. What it lacks in space, it lacks personality. Has personality, yes, that's the word I was looking for. So there's a TV there, there's two controllers which I don't think would ever use, a computer connected to it all, and that's pretty much it. On the left here is our kitchen space, which has no burners or gas or electric at all, so we still eat from outside, and two fridges stacked on top of each other, mine and Ben's. And one of the most loveliest thing about this place is the view. It's got a really nice view, as you guys can see here. You can see the train right there. You can see the road there, a basketball court, one swimming pool, which I don't think I would ever use because I cannot swim. But I can run though, but I cannot swim. And that is the corridor or balcony or veranda, depending on whichever part of the world you come from. On this place is Ben's room, but Ben is not around and he's not unpacked all the stuff. So good luck, Ben, when you finally come back. And this is my room. So as you guys can see here, I've got my clothes there. I've got my bed, which is literally just my comforter, but on the floor because I don't have money to buy a bed. But this is what I could afford. But hey, it's my place, okay? So I'll take it. So I'm using the open wardrobe concept because, well, I don't have money as well to buy a wardrobe. So I've got all my clothes stacked there, and the ones I wear often, running and casual there. I've got my camera bag there because essentials. I've got my bathroom here. I'm not going to open my bathroom door for you. So going to my computer, I've got the Acer Predator G3 here, but it's been modified. So it has 32 gigabytes of RAM, SSD, and a GTX 1060. I've got my Huawei watch there, my hard drive I used to edit all my stuff, and just a USB thing there. So on my table here is, actually I'm pretty proud of the cable management I did on the table here. So I've got this speaker I am yet to actually release a video about from Edifier. That is there. I've got another product I'm yet to make a video about, the Creative DAC from Creative. It's a DAC for digital to analog converter. Very good stuff. It's also portable, by the way. I've got my 4K monitor here, which is the Acer XB281HK. I literally just read it there. I've got the Razer Onata Chroma, another video I've not made. So many videos I've not made. I have the Razer, I don't remember the name. This is very Lancehead, I think. Yes, Lancehead. Pretty nice as well. Wireless. I've got this. I've made a video about. Very nice headphones. So this is basically my setup. Going under the desk there, you can actually see, I just got this from IKEA. It's called Lenart. It's got like 3 compartments, which I plan to fill over time. I still don't have a container to put all the boxes here, but you can see all the boxes. That's my lovely mom and sister. Some award I won a while ago. Some boxes of stuff I've not used. Gear boxes, more boxes, and it's like very, very bright here. So you can see I also have a view here of another swimming pool, which I'm not going to go to, but maybe I am going to shoot there though. That looks like somewhere that is going to be very nice. And this is the angle I just shot from in the intro video there. So yes, and this is my bed right here. And yes, this has basically been the room tour of my new place. In case you're wondering what I'm using to record, I'm actually using the Zhiyun smooth skew. So it's like really, really smooth. And when I tilt, so do you guys want a video about that? Let me know in the comment section down there below. So many videos to make, you must realize, like I think plus your request, I have over 20 different kind of videos I've still not made. So that has basically been it for this video. I think I can rotate it by hitting this 3 times. Yes, I can. I have no idea if this is taking me or not. So that's basically been it for this video. That is very, very loud. That has basically been it for this video. Taufik, you want to say a word? I have no idea if it can see you, by the way. Get up, man. So that's basically been it for the house tour. I shall be cutting to the outro now. And that has been the house tour here. And as you guys can see from my voice, it is very echoey because there's obviously nothing in it. And you can see the TV here. Yes, somewhere here. And yes, it will be fun to definitely see the kind of videos I'll be shooting in this new space. There's lots of available shooting positions I think would make sense over time. And unlike my other room, I actually have space to experiment. I have space, lots of white walls so I can shoot against that. Just got that new black table at the entrance I showed you guys earlier. So lots of brand new opportunities, I think. Also, I can shoot in the living room here. I'm using the natural light and another light here. And well, that's basically been it for this house tour. Hopefully in a couple of months, I should be able to bring you guys another house tour with hopefully more stuff, hopefully. And yeah, that's basically been it. New videos shall definitely be coming soon. I still don't have internet, so I'm using my mobile data to actually upload this video right now, which is sucking a lot of my mobile data up. So I'm trying to fix the internet situation as soon as possible because I actually need it for the feature video I'm working on for Asus and all the other videos I could be making for you lovely, awesome, amazing folks. Anyways, while you're still here, why don't you tell me for the Nova 2i, I have the Huawei Nova 2i, which I think I'm returning next week, the Zenfone 4, which I think I'm returning in 2 days on Thursday, the Mi A1, the Zenfone Max Plus M1, the Zenfone 3, and the Zenfone Max Pro, Zenfone 4 Max Pro. Which videos would you like me to make? Which comparisons would you like to see among all these devices? Let me know, because I literally don't have internet to check the data and check your comments and all of that. So please let me know. That will be very, very convenient so I can shoot it hopefully today and release it tomorrow. Thank you so much for watching. This is still a new experience. I have my own house. It's empty, but it's my own. And yes, thank you so much for watching. I love and appreciate you. I know I've not been commenting, I've not been replying much. That's because I've literally been off the grid, but hopefully I shall be coming back soon, and I shall be seeing your lovely face soon. Anyways, in the meantime, please make sure you take care of yourself. You're an amazing person. You are awesome. You deserve the very, very best. Don't you dare forget that. And if you've forgotten that, I'm telling you right now, and most importantly, remain awesome. Shall catch you next time. Don't forget to be awesome. Bye.